As of May 2021, the whole crypto market is going through a turmoil. There are some basic problems with cryptocurrencies today, which if solved could really make a huge difference. In this video, I will try to explain these problems and suggest some solutions for them. Cryptocurrencies are amazing. The idea of a global currency that isn't controlled by one person, government, or bank is very attractive. Here's a simplified explanation of how they work. Every cryptocurrency has essentially two things. One, sophisticated computer code. This is to prevent counterfeiting of the currency. Two, decentralized public records. All transactions are available to view publicly. This prevents anyone from just manipulating the records for profits. Every participant on the network acts like a referee. If some foul play is detected, then the referees reverse the transactions. This makes the technical side of cryptocurrencies free from any kind of mischief. Notice how I said technical side? Because the economic and social side of crypto is still in Stone Age. Everybody taking part in economics of cryptocurrencies is still a monkey smashing rocks, figuring out what's best. And the experts are no better. They are like cavemen with slightly pointy tools. The primary function of any currency is its ability to buy goods and services. A pile of crispy bills is attractive because of all the cool stuff that you can exchange it for. But with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of its crypto cousins, the stuff you can buy is very limited. Despite having 18.7 million BTC in circulation, hardly any of them are actually being spent. Cryptocurrencies are having an identity crisis. Are they a way to trade? Or are they an investment? Nobody truly knows. The price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies are completely based on guesswork of the general public. Nobody, not even the best of experts, really knows what it is worth, and therefore the price fluctuates a lot. Since no real business is being done with Bitcoin and its crypto cousins, its value is literally ruled by the mood of the people. A meme tweeted by Elon Musk can cause people to buy or sell their Bitcoins altogether. This makes Bitcoin less like an investment and more like gambling. Most central banks are warning investors that a blanket ban is coming. And it is to no surprise because cryptocurrencies stand to challenge the authority of financial institutions. This is by far the biggest fear of most cryptocurrency evangelists. The governments of the world will, in domino effect, simply cancel the legitimacy of their investments and hang them out to dry. China has developed its digital variant of yuan, and the Chinese Communist Party will never legitimize a currency that gives away control back to the people. This is by far the biggest problem cryptocurrencies face as of today. It's very likely that some countries will just straight up digitize their own currencies and create a crypto equivalent of it. That to me looks like the end game for cryptocurrencies. To be a proof of concept for digital currencies, a lesson in digitizing money, a stepping stone for humanity to finally break free from physical currency once and for all. This is Kshitij, and if you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. For now, thanks for watching.